Assalamualaikum, this is Faiza and you're watching FBR channel. Now let's see what's happening in stock market. Nifty was up by 1.21% and Sensex was also up by 1.21% and Bank Nifty was also up by 1.3% and gold price for 24 karat gold is 9,070. Now let's move on to global market news. Global markets mixed amid geopolitical easing. World shares are generally mixed as investors take a breather. The Israel-Iran ceasefire is holding easing geopolitical tensions and stabilizing oil price. However, markets are closely watching upcoming US economic data and the Federal Reserve's auction stance on interest rates, especially regarding the impact of tariffs. Asian and Indian markets rally. Asian saw a gains with Japan's Nike 225 up 1.7% to a 5-month high driven by tech stocks and easing Middle East tensions. Iran equities continued their third consecutive rally with the Sensex surging over 100 points and Nifty about 25,500 fueled by easing global tensions and strong domestic buying. Now let's move on to India market news. Sensex and Nifty soar. Indian benchmarks continued their rally for the third day with the Sensex jumping 1,000 points to 83,755.87 and Nifty closing about 25,500 at 25,549, both hitting 2025 highs. Geopolitical calm fuels gains. Easing Middle East tensions, particularly the Israel-Iran ceasefire, significantly boosting market sentiments and stabilized crude oil price. Now let's move on to investor wealth surges. Easing Middle East tensions, the market's capitalization of BSE listed firms increased by 9.70 lakh crore in the past 3 sessions, reflecting strong confidence. Heavy weights and sector led. The rally was broad-based with significant contributions from Reliance Industry reclaiming 20 trillion rupees mid-cap. HDFC and ICIC metal, oil and gas and private banking sectors were top performers. DII buying, FII selling. Domestic institutional investors were net buyers while foreign institutional investors continued to offload equities. Now let's move to political market news. Middle East ceasefire boosts markets. The primary political driver for today's market gains, especially in India, is the sustained ceasefire between Israel and Iran. This de-escalation of geopolitical tensions has calmed investor fears and stabilized crude oil prices, contributing to market rallies. US tariffs and Fed concerns persist. Despite the positive news from the Middle East, ongoing concerns about US President Donald Trump's higher tariffs and his public criticisms of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell continue to be a political factor influencing global markets. Powell's cautious stance on interest rates awaiting tariffs in fact adds to the focus on US political and economic policies. So that's it for today guys. If you have liked the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching FBR channel. Allah Hafiz.